Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how you'll be able to create thumbnails for your YouTube videos and how you can also be able to create thumbnails for your Instagram post and your TikTok post. Now I'm going to be showing you how you'll be able to do this in two ways. The first way is how you can be able to make these thumbnails so that you can be able to use it on your Instagram post and on your TikTok post. And the second way is how you can be able to make thumbnails that you'll be able to use for your YouTube videos. And this is done very easily. If you're a returning viewer, thank you for returning to my video, and if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do well to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell if you have not yet subscribed, so that whenever I post a video, you'll be notified. Let's head down to it already. So let's say you're creating the videos for your TikTok page or your Instagram page and you're done editing the video. Taking this one first of all, for example, what you do is you come to this place that there is cover, since you are trying to create a thumbnail. Then you can use the templates that are here. Since we want to create from Capcut, we are going to select from video. What you will do is you look for the exact frame that you want it to be used. That is the picture you want to use for the thumbnail. Let me say this position I am is how I want to be on the thumbnail. I can now click on use templates. The templates that I can be able to use to create thumbnails will come out. Now if the video I made is more about fashion, I'll click on fashion and it will actually load up. And if it's about food, I will click on food, and yes, it will also come out. That is for food. And yeah, I'm just going to go with one from here. Let's say I click this one. Now in this video I'm mostly talking about phones, so I've just clicked this one just for the sake of this video. I will click on it. I will now direct it how I want it to be. Wear guide. Let me now say I call this the iPhone 16, since it's the reigning phone for now. iPhone 16. I will now click on it and I will click on these smaller ones. Let's say I want this to be buy or no. I'll now take it to the position I want it to be, buy or not. I'll drag it here, and here I'll say let's say I'll say price, and then I'll increase it how I want it to be, and let's say I drop it here. Now you can play around with this one. Now this is mainly for Instagram or TikTok. Now if you do this, you click on plus, but you can also add your own thumbnails. You can also add your own titles. Now it depends on you. From here you can be able to add text, add what you want. You'll be able to edit the style, you add effects, you add bubbles and all the rest of them. And yes, after doing this, you click on save. But let me delete this one. On the exporting, you can see that you are just looking at the thumbnail that we have created for this video. Let me quit. Done. Now if you post this video on any of your social media platform, the first frame that would come up will be this, your cover, and you can be able to use it as your thumbnail for your social media videos. That is Instagram or TikTok or whichever social media platform that uses vertical videos. Now let's go down for YouTube videos. Now if you are to create a thumbnail for your YouTube channel or your YouTube video, you don't need to even bother about the pro features. What you do is you open the new project. You should have all the things that you'll be using to create this your thumbnail. You click on it and then you add it. Now this is a 16:9, meaning that this frame is what we are going to be using or be needing while creating our thumbnail. Now when creating YouTube videos, it is in a frame of 16:9. That is the format. Now you now import your picture. You click on the plus icon and this is my picture. I would add it up. Now if I add it up, I would overlay this part. I'll click on overlay and this part goes down. Now what I will do is I would auto remove the background of this picture. As I told you at the beginning, we are not minding the pro features on the Capcut app for now. Remove BG, auto removal, and yes, that should be it. Background removed. You click on the plus icon. We are also going to add another overlay, which is the Capcut overlay. We add it, and yes, this is it. Now I'm trying to make this thumbnail very easy and just very catchy, very simple. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add a text. Now I'm going to add a text. Here I'll write thumbnail. Now I have to edit this my thumbnail very well. From here I will choose the font I like. I think I like this font, thumbnail. I'll go to the style. Okay, this is not the style I want. I'll click on background, and yeah, I think I want a background. Now the background, I want it to be black. Then I will resize it. Thumbnail. Then I will add another one, or I can just copy this one or duplicate this text. Yes, let me just duplicate it. Now it has come under. I will bring this one down, and then I'll click on it and change this one to tutorial, thumbnail tutorial. Now for this, I want the background to be red. This time around white. Yes, but the background is white, and then the text itself is black. Thumbnail tutorial. And yes, this is it. Now in creating these thumbnails, you just have to do the things yourself. Be as creative as you can be. Choose the fonts that you like. Just play around with everything. Nobody is rushing you. Nobody is, you get the whole thing. When you get something you like, what you now do is, when you're done with making the thumbnail the way you want it to be, you can just screenshot it. When you screenshot it, you open the screenshots, and then you just crop out the part that your thumbnail is. Crop it out very well. You have to be very careful with this, and when you crop it, you can now save it. When you are now done posting your YouTube video, you can be able to see your thumbnail here, and yeah, you can play around with the thumbnail, and that should be it. If this video was helpful, do well to subscribe to the channel, and yeah, click on the videos that you are seeing on the screen so that you'll be able to get more videos that would help you in your journey on YouTube. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.